Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making dry breadcrumbs. This is a super easy, fast recipe to make breadcrumbs with bread you already have on hand. I have a whole wheat bread. It has some nuts and seeds, but you can use any bread you like. You could use white or wheat or garlic bread or Italian bread, seasoned bread, whatever you like to make different types of breadcrumbs with different textures and flavors. The first thing that we need to do is toast our bread, which I already did, and then allow it to cool. And I did that. Mine got a little extra toasty, but that's okay. It's dry. You want to make sure it is dry and there's not moisture left in it. So next, go ahead and break your toast into pieces and put it in a blender or food processor. So just break the pieces off. Okay, next we're going to blend our bread until we have fine breadcrumbs. And I'm going to start the blender on low and gradually increase it to high. You ready? I think it's done. Just take a look. Yep, very fine. You can make them as fine as you like. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a container, and I'll save it for when I need it for a recipe. This is good if your bread's getting stale and you don't want to waste it. Go ahead and make some breadcrumbs, save it, and then later you can use it for your recipe. Okay, that was fast and easy. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.